Start.
Hi sir, good morning. My name is Priyadharshini. I am doing my MSc Counselling Psychology from Madras University. Currently, I am my PG first.
Okay. So you have joined this internship. So what are the things you have learned, and since it is your PG, even in your UG you would have attended some internship. Okay. What is different here, or was there no difference? And what is your observation? Generally, you can just share.
In my UG, I did my internship in a clinical center, which is more of a psychiatric hospital and de-addiction, like rehabilitation center. There we used to interact with clients, take embassy, and we'll submit that to a psychologist or psychiatrist over there, and they will examine that and they will evaluate like how we perform, how to build a rapport, how to interact with clients. But here it's more of a counseling center, so we learned a lot of techniques. Like rather than being just building a rapport, we learned more of counseling techniques here.
So what are the things you have learned?
Like breathing exercise to make the clients relaxed at first, and we learned more of a relaxation technique like mindfulness, autogenetic and all. Then on the next step, we learned floating leaves, which is a part of acceptance and commitment therapy, and we learned nuances of post-marital counseling, which was very interesting for me. Like, we learned in the past week only, but it gained most of my interest. That's what I felt useful here.
Okay. So did you attend any sessions? Did you observe any session?
I observed one session offline, and with one client I interacted in online. It's not a counseling session, but it was just an initial rapport building session.
So when you observed one session, isn't it?
Yes.
So what was your learning from it? How was it?
I was just an observer in that session, so I was completely into the client. I felt like I am going through that situations, and some of my personal struggles was in connection with that client struggle. So I felt very emotional after the client, and as well during the session also. So I felt okay, people are facing so much struggles, so we should be more empathetic as much as possible. So actually, I'm a kind person. I also focused on improving that even a lot.
Yeah, very nice. So mostly we concentrated here on public speak also. Okay. So you have given you have two beautiful sessions on Monday now. Okay. So how was the process of recording it and delivering it? The first one, I think it is already 2 months over. So definitely your friends would have seen it, isn't it? So what is the feedback you got from them?
I didn't get any feedback from my friend's side, but I got some feedbacks from your side. Like it was not my first recording actually. Like when we were in UG, we like four of my friends were planned to start a YouTube channel, and we recorded some of the few videos, like which is like more of a teaching to students like who are juniors to us. That was in Tamil. Like why we started that plan is there's no like specific or well-versed channel for psychology in Tamil language. So that was in Tamil. But we didn't post that. We posted for a few days and then we deleted it back. But now it was my second experience of recording videos for posting. It was a bit different from what we like, recorded over there because that were my friend zone. Here it was like sort of a professional zone. I felt comfortable while talking, but when my friend saw it, like he said, like you are doing, but it's not like more of a professional thing yet. Still, we need to more work on the professional side.
What you feel?
I felt like I love teaching to someone else, so I felt very comfortable and I thought of improving my skills in teaching also. But because if I practice beforehand, I could teach more comfortably. But here on the spot, you will be giving some topics that it takes time to like prepare it more intensively. In the like we said in a very surface level. But அதையுமே நம்ம இன்னும் டீப்பரா சொல்லணுமா அதுக்கு we
need to practice. So thank you very much. Actually, the thing is, my observation. One is two of you came here. Both of you were having very good interest, and even you people have very good communication skills. It is always a learning from the past also. So continue the channel which you have started at least now, because that is going to work a lot for you people in branding yourself, isn't it? And also conducting sessions online, etc. Even I will provide chances. Even art therapy we are going to take next month. We are having training, so I will give you a topic in advance. I want both of you to train the people who are psychologists and also the people who have completed your PhD. You have the capability that I understand. You both have the capability, and in all other aspects also, as well as the counseling field is concerned, you both are very much matured in your approach, and also the various aspects what we train. You are able to learn it immediately. You are able to learn it immediately, and you are able to showcase it immediately, conducting the program even here. So thank you very much for joining. So you invested some amount here. So do you think are you satisfied with the outcome?
Like on a scale of 10, I was satisfied for about 8.5. Why I didn't give that 1.5 is like I personally know some of counselors who are working as a like, mental health professionals in India or in Tamil Nadu. Like what I heard from them is like in current times, transaction analysis is becoming more like more fantasy. Like everyone has started practicing that. So when I came here, I thought like you will be also like telling something about that. I like in the end only got to know that you were specialized in NLP and TA, but you taught as CBT. It's also a good thing, but it was like a usual, like wherever they go, they use CBT, and you also taught us the same.
Yeah.
But it would be nice if in future you give me us a session about TA.
Yeah. So TA actually, as I told, we are having a session in the May month. Okay. The difference between CBT and TA. See, TA it is gaining popularity. Okay, TA, NLP, everything. As far as TA is called, TA actually it is called pop psychology.
Okay.
Okay, it is called pop psychology. If you go and refer to the various books, because I am more interested in transactional analysis than a CBT. But when it comes to scientific evidence, transactional analysis is not having any kind of scientific evidence. It is called a pop psychology, and it can be applied in any setting. PA can be applied in any setting, but scientific evidence based program is a CBT. So I thought I can train people on CBT. Definitely, what you can do is if you are interested in TA, already my recorded video sessions on TA is available, and particularly the May month, we are going to completely involve ourselves in TA and what you call motivational interview. Then you can share it with your friends also. Okay. So thank you very much. All the best for your life, and we will keep in touch.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.